Then I went and crossed the road. Some old bitch with some Toyota Corolla. 1998. Like, who fucking drives those anymore? Fucking hit me. Get me all geriatric. Going, hey, hello, are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay? Some, like, ancient ass lady. Probably coming out of her fucking dungeon. And I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm okay. And then some fucking undercover swine ass cop coming down the fucking road saying, hey son, are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm okay. Can you just piss off? I just want some fucking ice cream. Just go the fuck away. And fucking, these motherfuckers call the goddamn ambulance. Then the ambulance comes 10, 15 minutes later saying, hey, where's your vitals? I need to check your fucking vitals. I'm like, no, I want to just go home. And I also want some fucking ice cream. Because that ice cream, by the way, is very fucking good. They make it into little rolls and it has some cookie monster behind it. Yeah, it's amazing. Then, on my hospital ride with the ambulance on the way to the hospital, I fucking got, my ambulance exploded by fucking Dave the Magical Effect Wizard. He comes around saying, hey, I'm Dave, and I come on the magical world of fentanyl. I'm like, whoa, teach me your magical fentanyl way. He's like, yeah, son, first you need an ounce of weed. Second, you need to get me a pack of Marlboro Red 100. My favorite pack. Third off, you need a whole bag of cocaine. Then you come down to the Gold Sounds bar. I'm out.
Yeah, get off the stage, jackass.
Hey,
I hate Jim!
I don't know if it's fully in.
Jim's the worst man.
Jim is the best man.
I
What are
hate
you
Jim.
talking
You're such a
about?
this man deserves to grab
You're being shit, man. You're being shit.
Alright,
Yeah,
we're dayquil fiends. It's our third show.
Do a lot of dancing, and
Yeah, fuck shit up.
if you are an able-bodied individual, do as much dancing as you can, and do shit. I don't know.
Also,
Free Palestine. Don't stop talking about it. All right.
2. Fuck you!
I don't like you! You look at me! You love money! You got no soul! I don't like you! I'm second! Somebody! You got no soul! I don't like you!
We played a Screamo show last night, so we wrote a Screamo song for it. I played shittiest drums known to man.
On my level. Now you talk down to me. Say you look like me. That doesn't so much shit. I'm again. You lost your soul. You lost your soul. You lost your soul. You lost shit. Shut the down me. You lost everything about yourself.
Stoner.
the tune-up jam. It's called that because we tune up.
Also, real quick, merch plug. We got shirts. Hey, Dante. Oh, you don't have your shirt on. We have shirts. They're over there. Find this guy. He's at the merch table. He's our roadie Dante. They're $5.
$5 shirts.
$5 shirts. We got posters. Yeah.
$5
Give them all your money. Who likes the Melvins? Gotta be somebody. Yeah, it's the Melvins cover.
Melvin.
Come closer, guys. Get fucking moving. Get moving. Yeah, I know. Oh, so wait, Noah, come here. Noah. These are the shirts. Come on, sir. These are the shirts. We gotta plug the merch. They're $5.
Show them the back.
Show them the back.
$5, we got Goob on the front.
Yeah.
Dayquil on the motherfucking back.
All right. So get fucking moving, guys. Come on. Put her in.
want shit, that'll be good. In that perfect world we was in. Not as perfect, you fucking idiot. So what is mine if you have to be like the perfect thing? And why do you think you control what I think? And why do you think that that's all fucking what I got? Why do you think you control what fucking what I think? Why do you think you control what fucking what I think? Why do you think you control what fucking what I think? Why do you think you control what fucking what I think? Why do you think you control what fucking what I think? Why do you think you control how fucking what I get?
Now it's about the bitter end. They're fucking, yeah. We don't like them. This next one's called Redneck Porno.
Yeah.
We want you guys to fucking go to this.
Yeah.
Closer.
This one's called Chair. And
Chair.
if you're gonna dance to any of our songs, this is the one. This one's cool.
So what?
I like this one.
I need you guys in, because at one point I'm gonna fucking jump on you. No. I'd also like to give a big fuck you to the boss hog himself, Eric Adams. Fuck that guy.
Fuck Eric Adams!
Dayquil fiends. Give all your money to this guy.